Hi, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to set a custom ringtone on your iPhone? Here's a step-by-step guide to do it in just a few minutes. First, open the GarageBand app on your iPhone. Swipe through the options and tap on Audio Recorder. Now at the top, tap the menu icon and turn off the triangle metronome icon. Next, tap the loop icon at the top right. You'll see different audio sources. Select Files if your song is saved there. Tap Browse Items from the Files app, then choose your favorite song to import it. Once it's added, long press the song and drag it onto the timeline. Tap on the clip to adjust the start and end points. Select the part you want as your ringtone. Then, drag the trim clip to the very beginning of the timeline. To preview it, tap the play button at the top. When you're happy with it, tap the downward arrow in the top left corner and choose My Songs. Your project will save automatically. Now long press the new file, choose Rename, give a name, and tap Done. Long press again and select Share, then tap on Ringtone. In the top right, tap Export. Once it's done, a confirmation will pop up. Finally, open the Settings app, scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, then tap Ringtone. Select your newly added song, and that's it. Your custom ringtone is now set. If the video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.